Your garage workbench can either be the heart of your projects or the reason you give up halfway through. So today, let's fix that and walk through the 6 best garage workbenches that actually make your life easier. Alright, so in this video, the goal is simple. By the end, you'll know exactly which workbench fits your space, your tools, and the way you actually work in your garage. We're going from number 6 all the way up to number 1, and each step up the list solves a few more of those annoying little problems, like lack of storage, wobble, or not enough weight capacity. 6. LEADALLWAY Folding Portable Workbench. This one is for anyone who needs flexibility more than a permanent, heavy beast in the corner of the garage. This is a set-in-one style workstation that can act as a workbench, sawhorse, scaffold, platform, car creeper, dolly, and even a hand truck, which sounds a bit wild at first, but once you start playing with all the modes, it actually makes sense. In workbench and hand truck modes, it's rated around 330 pounds, and as a scaffold or platform, it can go up to about 550 pounds, which is plenty for light to medium DIY work around the house. The aluminum legs and steel frame give it a surprisingly solid feel for something that folds up and stores in such a small footprint. Now, in real use, what stands out is how quickly you can go from folded against the wall to an actual usable work surface. The folding mechanism is straightforward, and the adjustable height, roughly from around 20 to just over 30 inches, lets you fine-tune it depending on whether you're cutting, painting, or just using it as a mini assembly station. You know that moment where you're like, I just need a quick surface to work on. I don't want to set up the whole shop? This bench really shines there. It also comes mostly assembled, which is always nice when you don't want the first job to be building the thing that's supposed to help you build other things. 5. Henetion Garage Workbench. This one steps closer to that classic garage station look. Pegboard, drawers, overhead light, power outlets, the whole mini shop vibe. The frame uses A3 steel, and the bench is rated for about 600 pounds of load, which is plenty for most hobbyist and light professional work. This isn't just a tabletop, it's a little work zone. You get a pegboard behind the bench for hanging tools, a work surface in front, drawers for small parts, and an integrated power strip and light, so you're not constantly running extension cords or working in your own shadow. In practical use, this feels like the kind of bench you buy when you want your garage to finally stop being random chaos and start feeling like an organized workshop. You can hang your most used tools, wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers, on the pegboard, and keep fasteners or drill bits in the drawers. The integrated light above the bench is a small detail that makes a big difference when you're doing detailed work like soldering, small repairs, or assembly in the evening. The power outlets built into the bench mean your drill, sander, or charger are always plugged in right where you work, instead of snake wiring across the floor. Now, here's where things get a bit mixed. While 600 pounds of capacity is decent, this is not a beat-it-up-for-decades industrial bench. If you're constantly dropping heavy metal parts or using it as an anvil substitute, you'll start to feel that it's more of a mid-tier solution. 4. CAMMOO Adjustable Heavy-Duty Workbench, 48 inches. This bench is all about strength and adjustability. It's rated for up to 2,000 pounds of load, sitting on a solid steel frame with a rubber wood top, which instantly puts it into that real work gets done here category. The 48-inch width is a sweet spot for smaller garages, big enough to handle real projects, small enough to fit along a wall without taking over your entire space. The standout feature here is the adjustable height. You can set this workbench anywhere from about 28.5 inches up to around 39 inches using tool-free 360-degree knobs. That means you can drop it low for assembly work or seated tasks, or raise it up for precise cutting, sanding, or when you want to save your back during long sessions. You know how annoying it is to be stuck with a bench that's just a bit too low or a bit too high? This pretty much fixes that issue for people of different heights or for switching between different types of work. In use, the rubber wood top feels sturdy and capable of taking a beating, whether you're clamping, drilling, or sliding heavy tools around. The frame has that no-nonsense industrial vibe, and with the weight rating, you're not constantly worrying about overloading it with a vise, a benchtop planer, or a stack of lumber. For a 48-inch bench, that's impressive. It's the kind of station that quietly builds your trust every time you lean into a cut or pound in a stubborn fastener. 3. Keter Portable Workbench. And this one has a bit of a cult following among DIYers for a reason. It's a folding, resin-based work table that sets up in about 30 seconds. No tools, no drama, and yet it can handle up to about 1,000 pounds on its work surface. For something that folds down into a compact, carryable box, that's impressive. The table comes with a pair of integrated clamps and a large, stable surface that works equally well for cutting, sanding, assembly, and light repairs. The magic here is really in the convenience. You know those, I just want to cut this board quickly in the driveway moments. With the Keter, you grab it, pop it open using its quick opening system, lock the legs in place, and you're working in half a minute. When you're done, it folds back down flat and tucks against the wall or in the trunk of a car. It's portable enough to take to a friend's house, a job site, or just move around your own garage, depending on the project. In day-to-day use, the included clamps are way more helpful than you'd think at first. They slide and lock into the table, letting you hold workpieces for cutting or gluing without dragging out extra hardware. The resin construction is weather-resistant, so if you occasionally use it outdoors, you're not stressing about it getting ruined. Despite being lightweight, once it's locked open, it feels surprisingly solid for most DIY tasks. 2. CAMMOO 60-inch Workbench. The CAMMOO Workbench takes everything good about the 48-inch version and scales it up into a more serious anchor for your garage. Once again, you're looking at a 2,000-pound load capacity with a rubber wood top and a robust steel frame, but now you get a full 60 inches of workspace, which makes a huge difference when you're dealing with longer boards, bigger projects, or multiple tools laid out at once. It also maintains the same multi-level height adjustment from around 28.5 to 39 inches with tool-free 360-degree adjustment knobs. In real use, this bench feels like a proper centerpiece for a garage. You can set up a miter saw at one end, leave a vise or benchtop drill press mounted, and still have working room left over for layout and assembly. The extra width is something you quickly get used to and then never want to give up. The heavy weight capacity means you're not second-guessing yourself when you stack lumber, store heavy tools, or really lean into chiseling or planing. The height adjustability is again a major win, especially for households where more than one person uses the bench, or when you switch between woodworking, mechanical work, and more delicate tasks. You can keep it lower for assembling heavy items or working while seated. Then raise it up when you want the ideal standing height for precision tasks. It's one of those features where, once you dial it in a few times, you start thinking, why doesn't every bench do this? 1. ENJOYWOOD Garage Workbench. And this is the one that really feels like it has been designed to check every box for a modern, flexible garage setup. It combines a premium rubber wood top with a sturdy steel frame and solid metal feet. And it's rated for up to about 2,000 pounds of load. That puts it right up there with the heaviest hitters in terms of strength. But what makes it special is how refined and versatile it feels in day-to-day use. The construction gives off that this is going to last years vibe the moment you start working on it. The rubber wood top is thick and durable with good wear resistance, so you're not panicking over every scratch or dent, you just work. The metal feet help keep it stable even under heavy loads, and the overall frame design feels very confidence-inspiring. You know that satisfying moment when you slam something down on the bench and nothing rattles or shudders? That's what this delivers. What really helps it earn the top spot is how well it balances heavy-duty performance with usability. The ENJOYWOOD bench is designed as a proper garage workstation, not just a table. depending on the configuration. It can be paired with pegboard and storage to organize your tools, and it offers adjustable height so you can tune it to the way you actually work. Whether you're doing woodworking, automotive repairs, or general DIY, it adapts without feeling like a compromise. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.